My name is Al Servitis. Al is abbreviation for Algis, A-L-G-I-S, which is a good Lithuanian name. I'm practicing law under Algis Servitis, attorney at law. I'm a sole proprietor. I'm in a downtown Willoughby, which is actually a very lovely town with about 27 restaurants in a quarter mile. And it's great. I used to have a partnership in another neighborhood, but I divested myself of that. I do mostly estate planning, wills, trusts, and I do probate estate administration, and I help people also with guardianships. A VA gives me, I probably have 10 or 15 veterans who I take care of. I pay their bills and I keep their finances in order. And I do some taxation, and that's about it. I'm practicing now in a city called Willoughby in Ohio. It's a suburb of Cleveland, Ohio, essentially in an adjacent county. I've been a lawyer for more than 50 years. I can't believe it. I don't know where the time went, but it's 56 years, I believe. I was a high school teacher. I taught British literature, speech, world history, and things like that. And my father was trained as a lawyer in Europe, in Lithuania. And he was the only one of his family, who were all farmers, who got a college education. And he was a very influential person in that country prior to World War II. And I wanted to get a master's degree, but then I figured a law degree will take me just maybe a year longer. And I went to law school nights. I have a degree from Cleveland. It's now called Cleveland State University, but then it was part of Baldwin Wallace College. It was Cleveland Marshall Law School, and it's very well known. Probably most of the judges and most of the lawyers in greater Cleveland graduated from that school. Probably with estate planning and estate administration. Sometimes I help them. They become executors or administrators. Sometimes I apply to be named the administrator or the executor in some cases where the decedent named me as the executor. If I am named as the executor, I always serve with bond. I post an insurance policy double the value of the estate assets, just in case I do something crazy. The heirs are protected. Probably my strengths is that I like people, I love people, and I try to do the best. In other words, making money is secondary. It's important, of course, I have to pay bills and everything, but first importance is satisfying my clients. And I try everything that I can to accomplish that. You can tell them that I've had one complaint against me in all those 56 years, which was nullified by the Supreme Court. I've never had other complaints. I've always responded to my clients. I've always answered the phone. As a matter of fact, my primary phone is my cell phone. I answer it at all times of day or night.